Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Business profile not publicly visible. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if your business is not visible here on Google Maps or even on Google, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, usually businesses inside Google are only visible if the profile is publicly or is actually verified and has the necessary information and the profile is properly set up. So in that case, the first thing that you want to do here is want to access your business here. So you can access your business by going to business.google.com and clicking on your business here to basically see this page here. Now, what you need to do here is you want to go ahead and just click on edit profile and just basically update the necessary information. So in this case, add your business name, your business category, your description, opening date, and a lot more. So go ahead and just provide all the necessary information here, like your from the business, from the crowd, the payments here, planning, service options, like all the information that they may need or your customers may need to know more about your store. Now, depending on your store, the options or your options to get verified may be different, so you may want to keep that in mind. But yeah, so once you've provided all the necessary information here, you want to go ahead and just start the verification process. So you can go and just get verified by clicking on the get verified button here, or if you go to the business.google.com page here, you should see the get verified button as well. But yeah, let's go and click on get verified. Now, this will redirect you to the verification page, and it's going to first ask you what is your mailing address. So first, you need to provide your country or region, your street address, your suburb, your city, postal code, and your province. So let's go and provide all those details and basically proceed on the next page by clicking on next. Now, like what I said, depending on what type of business you currently have, if you have like a on-site or physical store, you may need to provide a business or video of your business. Now, depending on, again, what your business is, you may have other options here. You could go ahead and click on other options and basically choose one that is appropriate for you. Now, for people or for businesses that require a video, I would highly recommend you to basically provide all necessary information. So let's go and click on next here so that you should know what are the requirements here. So first is you need to show or take a video of the surrounding area such as the street sign and the neighboring businesses in your area. And also you need to show the business name that is printed on in the front of your business, and also some business equipment here, booking system, unlock branded vehicle, like maybe like a tour inside your store very quickly. Don't have to show everything here, just the main stuff. And once you click on next here, you should be able to start recording. So again, plan ahead and make sure to show all the requirements. So the requirements may change over time, so make sure to read all through the requirements before this page here so that you can verify your store. But yeah, you can go and click on start recording here and upload or record your video. Now, I would recommend you to access this via your phone so that it's going to be a lot easier. But yeah, now once you've completed the or once you've taken a video of your business, provide all the information, you should be able to basically verify your business. It might take for a while here, so usually a week, a few days before for them to verify your account or your business. So you just need to wait it out. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.